What if I told you the next Disney movie might not start in Hollywood, but inside an AI prompt? Imagine this. You got the Pixar level emotion, Marvel scale action, classic Disney magic, and in seconds, boom, a cinematic video appears. Today's tech rumors might be the boldest crossover we might ever see. Why? Disney's OpenAI $1 billion and a possible deal that could change the entertainment forever. AI can already write scripts, it can already generate voice, and now with OpenAI Sora, it can generate entire cinematic video. So the question isn't if Hollywood will embrace AI, it's who will control the magic. And no company protects magic more fiercely than Disney. Welcome back to Tech News. My name is Karthik. Disney just dropped a $1 billion bet on generative AI, investing in OpenAI and opening its treasure trove of characters to Sora's video platform. This is in partnership. It's a strategic stake in the future of media and creativity, signaling Hollywood's boldest embrace of AI yet. OpenAI recently revealed Sora, a text-to-video AI tool capable of creating a realistic cinematic scene from a simple description. Not animation, not rough draft. We're talking about camera movements, lighting, emotions, stuff that looks expensive. Now, think about Disney. Disney isn't just a movie studio, it's an IP empire. You got Mickey Mouse, Elsa, Iron Man, Darth Vader, Buzz Lightyear. Each of these characters is worth billions of dollars. And Sora could turn this intellectual property into instant content. Trailers, shorts, experiments, storyboards, even full scenes. That's why industry insiders are whispering about $1 billion Disney investment in OpenAI, paired with something even bigger. $1 billion sounds massive. That's a strategic chess move. Here's why. If AI is going to generate content using Disney characters, Disney wants a seat at the table, not a lawsuit on the menu. And investment means influence, guardrails, and protection of brand identity. Imagine testing 50 story ideas in a weekend, different art styles, alternate endings, what if universe. AI doesn't replace creators, it supercharges them. Disney owns some of the cleanest, most valuable storytelling data on earth. Training AI responsibly with the data could create tools no competitors can match. Now let's talk about the controversial part, licensing characters. This would not mean anyone can generate Spider-Man videos at home. More likely, it looks like this. Disney-approved prompts, studio-only access, internal production tools, maybe theme park previews, and maybe Disney Plus experimental content. Think of Sora as a next generation animation engine, not a public toy. And yes, this could eventually trickle down to fans, but Disney moves slowly and deliberately. Of course, this deal isn't risk-free. Writers, animators, VFX artists, AI already makes people nervous. This is a tool, not a replacement. One bad AI-generated clip can damage a legacy built over 100 years. This is why control matters more than speed. Who owns AI-generated stories? Who gets credit? These questions aren't solved yet, but Disney has lawyers, lots of them. If this deal happens or something like it, it sends a message. Hollywood isn't fighting AI, it's partnering with it. We could see AI-assisted movies, personalized stories, interactive Disney experience, and entirely new format we don't even have names for yet. The line between tech company and entertainment studios would officially disappear. Here's my final thought. If Disney's 1 billion into OpenAI and license its character Sora, that's not just a deal. That's a declaration. A declaration that the future of storytelling won't be written only by humans, but it will still be guided by imagination. And maybe, just maybe, the next generation of Disney magic won't start with Once Upon a Time. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to my YouTube channel and Spotify, follow me on Facebook Tech News, and let me ask you this. Would you watch an AI-assisted Disney movie?